Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox pineapple ginger juice that is best had at empty stomach. For this, we take a pineapple, nicely wash it, take out the crown part of it and the skin portion nicely, and then chop it the way we're showing it in the video. Ensure that the middle part of the pineapple is already chopped off and that we retain only the fleshy portion of the pineapples for the juice. Now you can see we've chopped it very well and we're going to store it separately. We now carry the pineapple into a mixer grinder. On top of it, we add some ginger, which is nicely chopped. We then add some mint leaves, which gives us a good flavor. Add water until it gets submerged. We grind this well. We then carry the grinded juice into a sieve so that all the hard particles are taken off. We then add some lemon juice for tangy taste, some salt, some pepper, some honey, which is completely optional dependent on how sweet you want the juice to be. Our 100% detox pineapple juice is ready to be had.